Do you have to write an outline? Your teacher's making you, you don't want to. Today's video is about how to love the outline. And I'm going to give you my number one top trick. Stay tuned. So I feel your frustration, I really do. And I know that you think that the outline takes time that you don't have, that it's too difficult to do, that it's not all that important, and you've probably written essays and papers in the past, not had to hand in an outline, and got a relatively decent mark. Except that here's the thing. There are 3 good reasons why you need to rethink the outline. Number 1, insurance or reassurance that you're going in the right direction. Number 2, clarity of thinking. And number 3, saving time. So you know that the outline provides structure. But what if you thought about an outline as like a GPS? Who goes anywhere these days without their GPS and their iPhone? We all use it. The outline is the same thing. It's kind of like an insurance policy. At least if you have a really good outline and you're a so-so writer, you're probably going to end up with a better product. The outline helps you think really clearly because you get a visual picture of all of your ideas. Bottom line, the outline saves time. The reason we don't like the outline is because it forces us into big picture thinking, and that's hard. You need to really understand, why are you doing this? What's your purpose? What is it that you're trying to say? Where are you going with this anyway? Now, this is true for all writing, not just essays and papers. It's actually true for any media production. Anybody who ever has had a creative idea and wants to communicate that has had to go through these steps and has definitely worked with outlines. I mean, storyboarding, that's an outline. As a content creator, as an author, as a writer, as a student, as a thinker, you need to think about your purpose. Why are you doing this? Are you trying to convince an audience of something? Are you trying to just share your research because this is important information and you need people to know about it? Or are you just really excited about an idea and you want to communicate it? Sometimes it's just simply demonstrating what you know. And that's okay too. You need to ask yourself questions about your audience, because when you know who you're writing for, that will change what you say and how you say it, and even the structure of your arguments. What is it that you're trying to say? Did you discover it on your own? Are you something that you're convinced about? I mean, your thesis has got to pass the so what test. Why should I care about what it is that you're about to share with me? I can guarantee you, after years of reading student papers and of my own writing too, when you start out a project and you don't have a good outline, you get lost in ideas. You begin with A and you end up with Z, and you didn't plan on Z. Then you've got to go back and rewrite. Writing a paper from a good outline is like filling in the blanks. It will allow you to have a better introduction, great body sections, and a killer conclusion because you can see clearly. The bonus to the good outline is that it helps you see the ideas so that you can connect them better. It adds depth to your thinking, and it helps you find the gaps in your arguments, or sometimes even the contradictions. So here's my trick, my very low-tech, very fabulous trick. Sticky notes. They make it visual. The beauty of sticky notes, or anything else where you can physically rearrange the ideas, is that it permits you to see the flow of the argument, the structure of what it is that you're trying to say. Now, whether you use colored pieces of paper on a desk, or 3M sticky notes up on a wall like I did, or even just Google Keep on your desktop, get yourself some kind of a tool where you can actually put bite-sized pieces of information down and then rearrange them until you see the structure of what it is that you're looking for. If you still have doubts, if you're still unsure, then let me recommend that you unplug. Go out, take a walk, refocus, and ask yourself some questions. What's my purpose? Who's my audience? and what is it that I'm trying to say. Thank you for watching. I hope you found some value in this video today, and if you did, consider subscribing or giving me a thumbs up. When you're ready to continue with the outline, make sure you check back on the channel because I've got three other videos for you. How to mind map, different ways to do that. What's the actual format? What are all those Roman numerals and numbers all about? And a hack for Google Docs for how to actually format easily. Thanks for watching. Keep calm, carry on, get that outline done.